We begin usually by a conversation. I get to know the person and the trademark they want to use, where, how far along the process they are. Have they ever used it before, or is it just an idea? What goods and services are they using it with? Do they want to use it with? Is it going to be just a word mark, or is it going to have a design element, a font element? And then we run what's called a clearance search. We use special software and different strategies to determine with the best accuracy that we can that the mark is actually available for use, to make sure that no one else has used it before who might come and say, hey, send you a cease and desist letter 2 years down the line after you've spent all this money and time investing into this brand, only to find out that somebody else had used it first in a part of the country, and now you're going to be restricted from selling there or advertising your services there. After the clearance search, once we determine that the mark is free to use or available for use, we file the application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. There's some strategy that goes into how the application is prepared. It's not just filling out a form, despite what LegalZoom makes you think. There's definitely a lot of ways to approach it to make it more likely to be accepted or not. And then you wait. The wait is at least about 8 months with the USPTO. They get hundreds of thousands of applications every year, and they take a while to get to yours. Then they review it, and then they'll notify us if there's any issues with it. Sometimes we have to make changes to the application or submit a legal argument actually to convince them that it should be granted. And then after that, if everything goes well, you eventually get the registration, and then it's valid for 5 years.